Hello students, this is Hussain and today we are going to install Zoom and how we attend classes and meeting using Zoom software for both for Android and as well for the PC versions. So we are going to start now. So for the computer or laptop version, so we have to download by using this link zoom.us/download. Okay, when we visit this site, you will see this icon written with download button. Okay, click on it and when you click on it, you will get simple installation. Okay, just go on that, and for the mobile app, go to the Google Play and just write it down, Zoom Cloud Meetings, and you will get here installed icon. Okay, once you installed it, you will get on your mobile like this. You click on the icon for the both thing, for the PC and for the Android. Okay, once you click it, you will see this is kind of a screen. Okay, you will see number of icon there, but try to understand this thing right now. Do not create or do not go for the sign up or sign in. You have to go for the join button. Okay, for the clicking on the join for the PC version. For the mobile, you have to click on the join a meeting. Okay, then you will see this kind of a screen. And this meaning that you must have a meeting ID. Okay, a meeting ID and a password. Okay, so definitely you will got this from your teacher. Okay, and he must give you a meeting ID and a password. Whenever we go for invitation, we must have an invitation card or something like that. So here it means that you want to go for a meeting, you have meeting ID as well as password. Okay, so write it down and type it here, a meeting ID, as well as for the mobile Android app and as well for the laptop app. You have to type and then give some kind of name. Okay, this I have given here Samir name for mobile app and for the Android app. So when you click on the join button or join meeting button, then you will see this kind of a screen which asking for the password. Type the password and then press the OK button, join a meeting, and then this screen show that please wait for the host to start this meeting. Okay, and for the both, you will see this message for the both, for the Android and for as well as for the mobile app. You can see here waiting for the host to start this meeting. Okay, just wait it there. Best. Okay, once your teacher will give you permission by clicking on the admit button, then you will see this kind of screen. Okay, so this is your screen, let's suppose. So this screen having join audio, start video and some other things. So that's it you will get. I hope you will understand all this thing. So a teacher can have a permission to enable or disable your mic and your video as well. So now if it helped you, so you like this video, thank you, take care of yourself.